How's it going?
How's it going?
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
Hey, long time no see.
Hey, long time no see.
It's great to see you again.
It's great to see you again.
How's everything going?
How's everything going?
I hope you're having a good day.
I hope you're having a good day.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
How have you been?
How have you been?
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Could you give me a hand with something?
Could you give me a hand with something?
I need your help, please.
I need your help, please.
Do you know where I can find this?
Do you know where I can find this?
Could you explain this to me?
Could you explain this to me?
Can you show me how to do this?
Can you show me how to do this?
Would you mind helping me out?
Would you mind helping me out?
Do you have a minute to help me?
Do you have a minute to help me?
What are you up to today?
What are you up to today?
Have you had breakfast yet?
Have you had breakfast yet?
I'm just getting ready for the day.
I'm just getting ready for the day.
What do you have planned for today?
What do you have planned for today?
I need to run some errands later.
I need to run some errands later.
Let's grab coffee sometime this week.
Let's grab coffee sometime this week.
Are you free this afternoon?
Are you free this afternoon?
I'm finishing up some work right now.
I'm finishing up some work right now.
How's work going for you?
How's work going for you?
What's your job like?
What's your job like?
How's school going this semester?
How's school going this semester?
Are you busy with work right now?
Are you busy with work right now?
I just finished a big project at work.
I just finished a big project at work.
Are you studying for any exams right now?
Are you studying for any exams right now?
How was your day at work?
How was your day at work?
What do you think of this?
What do you think of this?
What's your opinion on that?
What's your opinion on that?
How do you feel about it?
How do you feel about it?
Do you agree with me?
Do you agree with me?
Do you think it's a good idea?
Do you think it's a good idea?
Would you recommend this?
Would you recommend this?
How would you handle this situation?
How would you handle this situation?
Do you want to hang out later?
Do you want to hang out later?
Let's plan something soon.
Let's plan something soon.
How about we go out for dinner?
How about we go out for dinner?
We should catch up sometime.
We should catch up sometime.
Want to go for a drink after work?
Want to go for a drink after work?
How about we grab coffee tomorrow morning?
How about we grab coffee tomorrow morning?
I'm feeling a little tired today.
I'm feeling a little tired today.
I'm so excited for the weekend.
I'm so excited for the weekend.
I'm really happy to see you.
I'm really happy to see you.
I'm feeling kinda down today.
I'm feeling kinda down today.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm a little nervous about this.
I'm a little nervous about this.
I've been feeling a bit under the weather.
I've been feeling a bit under the weather.
It was great seeing you.
It was great seeing you.
I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk to you later.
See you soon.
See you soon.
I need to run, but I'll see you later.
I need to run, but I'll see you later.
Let's stay in touch.
Let's stay in touch.
I'm sorry for being late.
I'm sorry for being late.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Thanks for understanding.
Thanks for understanding.
I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings.
I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings.
I really owe you one.
I really owe you one.
I'm sorry I didn't catch that.
I'm sorry I didn't catch that.